Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your screen using Google AI Studio and talk to the Gemini Live. First thing you want to do is open up your browser and go to studio.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in with your Google account. After you are logged in, look at the left side menu. At the top you will see Studio, and just below that click on Stream. But if you don't see it here in this left side, what you need to do is press here Playground, and then we have here some options: featured Gemini Live image, videos, audio. Just go here to Live and press, for example, this one, and this will pop up. Now this is where the magic happens. From here you can actually share your screen and interact with Gemini in real time. Now click on share screen. You will here in this tab here start screen sharing. Click on that. You will acknowledge, and now as you can see we can share Chrome tab, window, entire screen if we want. So I will choose that one here, share, and basically now we are sharing this window here, if you can see it like so. So if you are using multiple monitors, you will be able to choose which screen you want to share. As I show you here, this is just the window or entire screen, so I have now two monitors, so I can choose between them. And that's basically this is after that you may see prompt also here. You can then start recording, and it will pop up this window here, allow visiting if you want this microphone that while visiting the site, allow this time or you will never allow. Here you can also choose which microphone to use. So I will allow while visiting the site. Let's make it that way. So now we can hide this. We can also hide this window here, that it doesn't bother us. And yeah, when you want to stop sharing your screen with Google AI Studio, you can just press here stop recording and it will stop. So now you can also just start typing at your prompt and asking him and showing Gemini whatever is on your screen. If you want, you can also hide everything. So I will start new stream. We can start new stream here. And whatever you done, you can after that stop that, and that's pretty much it for this video. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.